Hello everyone. So today we'll learn about data scraping in 5 minutes without actually opening a browser. And yes, you are right. We'll be learning about requests module of Python. So let's begin with it. First we uh, need to know about HTTP status codes. So if you have not watched the previous video, just check out the I button and then you can watch that video and come back to this one. Let's start with installing the libraries. So we need to install pip install requests. I have installed it already in mine. Let's create a Python file. Code.py. There it goes. Okay, let's go. Let's import it first. We will be using this website. Quotes. Okay, yes. Actually, we don't need these pages in mind. This makes sense. Okay. Now, the important part: how we are going. Okay, it's giving the thing directly. So now it will send a request to this URL, and we need to check what all are the contents of it. So let's just print and see. We want to see the status codes first. Yes, there it goes. Let's run this command. Yep, we got 200, which means our request was successful. Then let's see what are the contents into it. Okay, it will print the first 500 letters. We hit it. Let's see what all we get. So these are all the HTML contents of the page. We are just printing first 100 characters, first 500 characters, so that's why it's showing this way. Okay, this is all cool. Let's print all the entire thing and let's see how the contents look like. Then we can start scraping on this. Okay, yes, cool. Now we can see there are so many containers in here. We want to scrape the quotes, and see, the quotes are embedded into this. This is a code and the class is text. So we need to pass this and then we need to get the data. So let's clear this out. Let's create an object. Let's use this variable page equal to response text. Let's make a variable. Now we need to write a loop in which we'll be splitting it. So yes, correct, split this, and if the class is text inline. Okay, so what we are doing here is like we are checking for the class text. This one we are checking for. You can see different appearances, and then we'll find this inverted commas. Then we'll keep on going till we find the closed inverted commas, and then our code is in between these. So from start to end, this is our entire code, and then we are appending that into the text. Okay, now let's run a for loop for maybe q in quote. Yes, print q. Yeah, this also works. Now let me just clear it out, and we don't want entire response now. We just want to see the quotes. Okay, there it goes. We are able to scrape the codes. Imperfection is beauty, and these are all the codes which we are able to scrape. So the understanding of this code is, we got the data from this website, we made a request on this URL, then we saw the status code, and then we are trying to pass it, and then we are looking for the container in which the codes are mentioned. Let's see about JSON, how it is able to pass it and those things. Let's create another one, JSON parse.py. Let's take another website which is like this one. It has posts and it is having JSON data. Let's see, data equal to response.json, and then we are printing the data. Let's see, let's clear this out. JSON parse.py, and see, this is all JSON data. This we want to scrape, and we want to, let's see, we want to get the title and body. So this is the title and this is the body. Okay, let's write a simple code. So it's like print. First, let's see, we want total posts, then we use length data posts. So what it gives is, it is supposed to give us length. Okay, there are 30 posts. Now let's say we want to extract titles. So what we'll do, we remove this length, then we go to posts, then we add 0 to this, and then we add title here. Let's see if we are able to get titles for this one. Yep, it gave the first title. Now let's see, we want body for this one, the first one, first appearance. And see, this was the title, this was the body. His mother has always taught him and body. Perfect. Okay, now there is an assignment for you guys. There is this website known as bookstoscrape.com, and the assignment is you need to get the title of the books from this website, and I'll attach the assignment answers in the description box. You all can check that out and subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. See you next time.